केंद्रीय स्वास्थ्य मंत्री डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन इस समय एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। सीधे चलते हैं और सुन लेते हैं।
Brief the GOM that till now cumulatively we have tested 33 crore 71 lakh 1,118 people in the country for COVID-19, and like last week, in spite of being a Sunday, when I said that normally on Sunday we have less number of tests, but even in the last 24 hours we tested 19 lakh 28,127 people in the country through 2,563 laboratories. And you will all recall that when we started having our GOMs in February, March last year, we had just about one lab in this country. Then to update you about the two important things, the remdesivir injections. Till now, we have already, through the central government, sent 70.61 lakh remdesivir vials to the states, and have already given 45,735 ventilators to the states. In the last meeting, we had a detailed presentation around genome sequencing, the whole genome sequencing that's happening in the country. So just to update you about that, till now 25,739 samples have been sequenced so far by INSACOG, and out of this 9,508 samples have been found to have variants of concern in the country, and this variant B1.617 has been found in 5,271 samples, which is almost 65%, making it one of the most common mutation that has been.
तो स्वास्थ्य मंत्री लगातार जानकारी दे रहे हैं कि किस तरह से अभी तक कुल मिला के 33 करोड़ टेस्ट हो चुके हैं देश में। पिछले 24 घंटे में 19 लाख से ज़्यादा टेस्ट हुए हैं। जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग की भी जानकारी दे रहे हैं कि जो जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग है वो 29,000 सैंपल्स की गई है। इसमें उन 9,500 अलग अलग वेरिएंट मिले हैं। अभी छोटा सा ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, फौरन लौट।
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।